Make me want a salsa. I just need a high C orange and life would be great. Hey guys, it's your girl B, and I'm back with another. I'm gonna call these R&R Fridays. And now I know, rest and relaxation. This is gonna be reviews and reaction Fridays. So I'm gonna start it off by doing a reaction to the McDonald's hot and spicy chicken sandwich. So I don't know where you live at. Wait. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, you know, if your area still had the chicken sandwich, the hot and spicy chicken sandwich. But nothing else, subscribe to my channel, okay? So today, for my R&R Fridays, that's what I'm gonna call it. Yeah, y'all like that? Let me know if y'all like that in the comments. I like it. I like the sound of it. Okay? R&R Fridays, and I'm kicking it off with the hot and spicy McChicken because it's back. I don't know where you live at and if it actually left and was discontinued for a little while, but it's back. And I need to know if it's still giving me those college poor vibes. Because we all know that we used to get that joint off the dollar menu when times was not looking like love, okay? So I need to know what's different. Does it taste the same? Does it give me that same feeling? Is it still delicious? Hello. So I went out and got the hot and spicy chicken sandwich. Let's open it and see what it's looking like. You know, they always used to just throw this joint together back in the day. All right, per usual. They didn't disappoint us. It's thrown together. So I'm already getting I'm feeling the vibes. I'm feeling the it's a dollar vibes. So this is what the chicken sandwich, the chicken patty looks like now. It's a little different than before. It's a little it's more redder than I remember. I haven't had it in a long time, but it seems to be more redder than before. But of course, it still gives you just lettuce and mayo. You know, just thrown together. like back in the day. Let's see how it goes. It's like all on the top too. They ain't care. They ain't care. I respect it. Can't go wrong. And of course, I got fries. And you know what would be best with this? I know they bringing stuff back slowly but surely, but high C orange meat, please. High C orange meat. Why did they get rid of that? Come on, McDonald's. High C orange meat, please. They go hand in hand. Let me get a hot spicy chicken, McChicken, and a high C orange. Step one, step two. Had to get eliminated. It's cool, but you know. If you know, you know. Right? All right, so let's see. Let's dive in. And I'm not gonna hold y'all long. We just gonna figure it out. Is it giving Popeyes? Cause let's be clear, this was like the original spicy sandwich. Now, let's see what we got here. I need a flashback as soon as I bite it. Let's see. Well, now, hold up. it might be a little bit better than before. It's a little crispier because you know sometimes they used to give you the soft chicken. It's a little crispier. It's a little bit spicier too, a little bit. You get a little back there. Listen, I'm not gonna tell the other sandwiches to move over, but make your way back to the spicy chicken sandwich because this joint is bomb. Not gonna hold you. Not gonna hold you. Fries always delicious. All right, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna do one more. That spice is like hitting me right there. McDonald's did not disappoint y'all. Like from Buffalo or anywhere that discontinued spicy McChicken sandwich, go find it's back. It's back. It's back. It's back. It's back and it's better. Listen, it's catching me right there. The spice is hitting me when I'm trying to talk. Listen, find out what McDonald's is participating in the spicy chicken sandwiches because they still hitting. They still hitting. The price is hitting now too though. You know, they used to be 99-cent dollar menu situation. Now it's $1.59. Well, it's still, you know, still on a budget. It's still a budget sandwich, but listen, it ain't $1 no more. It's $1.59. But it's all good. It's still good. That spice is hitting me, right? Listen. Now, if I had to rate spicy chicken sandwiches like Chick-fil-A, Popeye, the McDonald's, I think that's the order I would do it in. Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, McDonald's. I mean, if you want to throw Wendy's in there, that's tough. Wendy's is top 4. I just can't, I don't know where to place it yet. But this right here, man, this right here, this is it. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment on what other things you want me to try out. What's back that I ain't hear about that I should try again. Let me know what videos I should react to. This is R&R Fridays on IMP TV. And IMP, thank you for watching. See y'all later. Peace. Go ahead. This is good. Make me want a salsa. I just need a high C orange and life would be great.